Welcome to quiz time. 10 questions. Let's see how many you can get right.
Question 1. What is the largest bird? A. Ostrich. B. Emperor penguin. C. Andean condor. D. Great bustard.
The answer is A. Ostrich. Ostriches can run up to 70 kilometers per hour, making them the fastest birds on land.
Question 2. What causes a rainbow? A. Sunlight bending and reflecting inside raindrops. B. Light reflecting off a large body of water. C. Dust particles in the atmosphere scattering light. D. Electrical charges in thunderclouds.
The answer is A. Sunlight bending and reflecting inside raindrops. Each raindrop acts like a tiny prism, splitting sunlight into its spectrum of colors. Question 3. What is the largest known star? A. UY Scuti. B. Betelgeuse. C. Sirius. D. The Sun.
The answer is A. UY Scuti. UY Scuti is so immense that if placed at our solar system's center, its photosphere would extend beyond Jupiter's orbit. Question 4. What animal lives the longest? A. Tortoise. B. Elephant. C. Blue whale. D. Human. The answer is A. Tortoise. Some tortoise species can live for over 150 years, making them one of the longest living land animals. Question 5. What is the fastest bird? A. Peregrine falcon. B. Golden eagle. C. Swift. D. Ostrich. The answer is A. Peregrine falcon. Peregrine falcons can reach speeds over 200 miles per hour during their hunting dives, making them the fastest animal on Earth. Question 6. What is the largest desert? A. Antarctic polar desert. B. Sahara desert. C. Arabian desert. D. Gobi desert. The answer is A. Antarctic polar desert. Despite being covered in ice, Antarctica is a desert because it receives very little precipitation. Question 7. What animal has the best memory? A. Elephant. B. Dolphin. C. Chimpanzee. D. Dog. The answer is A. Elephant. Elephants can remember specific paths, water sources, and other elephants for many decades. Question 8. What is the brightest star? A. Sirius. B. Canopus. C. Vega. D. Rigel. The answer is A. Sirius. Sirius is also known as the dog star due to its prominence in the constellation Canis Major. Question 9. What is the largest flower? A. Rafflesia arnoldi. B. Titan arum. C. Giant water lily. D. Sunflower. The answer is A. Rafflesia arnoldi. Rafflesia arnoldi is a parasitic plant known for its foul odor, often described as smelling like rotting flesh. Question 10. What animal can fly backwards? A. Hummingbird. B. Bat. C. Dragonfly. D. Eagle. The answer is A. Hummingbird. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can truly hover and fly backward.
Thanks for playing. Subscribe for more fun quizzes every day.